now, what do I do now?
So just before the flight camp, there's this beautiful baobab tree and I said, I want to go take pictures of that. So myself and Shamil get out, and Jonathan stays in the car. So now two of us.
En hier kom die olifant.
So now we're taking pictures, and there's kudus in the distance and everything.
Beautiful.
It's lovely. So jy het gehoed.
Ja, maar they come uit hier. So the elephants now come across the road, walking in their direction.
And they,
So they now between
the car
me
and
and them. And
This is 100 meters, 150
so
meters.
now, what do I do now? And then eventually they came running across the veld. Want ek dink hulle het ook gerealiseer die
Ja.
olifante is nou skielik saam met hulle in die omgewing.
Yeah, I said to Shamil, Jonathan hooted. There's a reason why he hooted.
yes.
So we looked, and then we saw the elephants on the other. There was elephants on the other side of the bus at that stage.